Hi there, it's Arena. I hope you guys are all doing well. I am back with my 2024 what I got for Christmas haul. I didn't get that many items, but some of them I absolutely love and I wanted to share them with you guys. I don't really know where to start. I might start with like my Popmart and blind boxes just because I actually did receive quite a lot because your girl has a little bit of an obsession with like blind boxes this year. I don't know. I absolutely adore them. First things first, my sister got me this super cute skull panda candle. This is part of their like Christmas candle collection. I don't remember what the name was, but this was the one that I pulled. I'm actually so happy because this was actually the only one in that collection that I wanted. I really wanted her because I just think she's the cutest. She has the cutest face. Like, she's the one that they've been using on all of their Christmas promotion as well. I think her name was like Baking Wish or something, like I don't remember, but the back is a gingerbread version of her. And then she's so cute. It smells really nice and fresh as well, and it's just like adorable. I love her. She's so cute. I'm so happy that I got this one. I also got this like really cute little Christmas Winnie the Pooh from a blind box as well. I actually stole this from my friend for White Elephant, like the White Elephant. I hosted a little Christmas party and we did White Elephant and my friend gave me this so I wouldn't steal his present. So I got an extra little Popmart Winnie the Pooh figure. So cute. He's holding a little candy cane. It's a train so you can connect all the other blind boxes, but I only got one. He's so cute. One of my best friends also got us the Crybaby Sad Club plushies. This is a plush flower blind box. She's so cute. We're all a little bit obsessed with Popmart. I got them Labubu's for Christmas and she got us this cute Crybaby flower. I don't know why, but I've low-key been a little bit in love with Crybaby recently. I used to think she was so ugly and I didn't like her, but I don't know. I just think the plush version of her and like the keyring versions of her are so adorable that I have folded, and now I kind of like it. I don't want to admit it, but I do kind of like Crybaby. I wanted the purple one, but I got this cute orange one. She's actually called like Papaya Yellow, I think. I wanted this purple one, but I think this one is called Papaya Yellow. Yeah, I think she's orange, but her name is Papaya Yellow. I don't mind her because I think the face that she's making is really cute, and this orange is actually like quite a nice orange color. She's so cute. I want more because then I can like have a whole bouquet. So adorable. But yeah, this was like the other blind box that I got. And my little brother also got me a blind box. He got me the Nini Z blind boxes. I kept the box because she's so cute. And I think that she might be my newest blind box obsession. I went from Labubu to Crybaby and now I'm on to Nini Z because she is so beautiful. Literally, like I would have been happy with like pulling any of these characters because I think they were all cute, but my brother actually got me two, and guys, you're not ready because she's literally the cutest little baby you've ever seen. I love her so much and I feel like she matches my aesthetic so well. Like she's so cute. I love her so much. I'm so glad that he got me two because I think I opened one first and I opened this little baby first. She's so cute. I only really wanted the lamb. Like I wanted on the front. Like they were all cute, but I really wanted her. And then I think I pulled this little baby first and she was adorable. She's, I think, a little Shiba, and Shibas are actually my favorite dogs, and she's pink as well, and I think pink and green are such a cute combo, so I love her. They're so detailed, and she has a little apron on and she's holding cherry blossoms, and cherry blossoms are my favorite flowers. So I'm so glad that I pulled her because I think that like besides when I was looking at them again, I was like, besides from the lamb that I really wanted, I think she was probably the second cutest. So I'm so glad that I got her. And of course, a moment for my baby. They are so soft. They are so well made. I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with her. Is she not the cutest little baby you've ever seen? Like, look at her face. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. They're so cute. I literally love them. They are my children. I named this one Lulu and I named her Cora, short for Sakura, because Sakura cherry blossoms, they're my favorite flowers. So they're my little babies. They're so cute. I love them so much. I did not think blind boxes could get this cute, honestly. Like, they are so adorable. I love. My little brother also got me a necklace. He got me a little tennis necklace from Harley and Harper. Let me show you guys. So pretty. I haven't worn it yet, but I've been wanting a tennis necklace for a while. I have one from a.luunaaa, but it's like thin. It's the same size as this, so it matches my tennis bracelet, and I like it. It's really great, but I kind of like stuff that stands out a little bit more. I'm a little bit extra like that, and so I kind of wanted a thicker one, so my brother got me this one, which is bigger than the a.luunaaa one, so I can't wait to wear it. I feel like it'll make the perfect like everyday tennis necklace, and it'll stand out a little bit more than my old one. So beautiful. Absolutely love. The next thing that I got is this cute little lip product. This is the Toucher the Kissu lip mask. The packaging on this is actually adorable. Ooh. So cute. She got us a little lip mask, and I think she said that this was the new packaging, so they have a spatula and they changed the packaging so you could fit the spatula on top of the lid so you won't lose it, which is so cute. Every girl loves a little lip mask, so I cannot wait to try this. So adorable. And I also received this from my sister. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. It is the Medicube HR Booster Pro. I've been kind of wanting this for a while, and I'm so glad that she got it for me because we actually got each other the same gift. So I got one for her and she got one for me. And when I was buying it for her, I was like so tempted to buy one for myself as well. But they're pretty pricey, and I wasn't sure how good of a product it was going to be. I was going to see how much I liked her one, and if she really liked it, I was going to buy myself one as well. But now I don't have to because she got me one for Christmas too. And of course, we both got each other the really cute pink ones. So adorable. I actually got hers in the set with the collagen serum and the mask. I see everyone like on TikTok using them together, so I'm gonna steal the serum and the mask and use it with my Medicube booster because she only got me this one. But it's okay because we can share the other creams. I literally cannot wait to use it. I've just seen so many people raving about them. I actually really wanted the Sailor Moon version because I kept seeing it on TikTok with the little wings, and it looks like a Magic Girl wand. And if you know me, you know I absolutely adore Magic Girls, and I want to be a Magic Girl so bad. So I really wanted the Magic Girl version, but I could not find it anywhere. I looked online and I could not find it anywhere, so I'm happy with this. I will settle for the cute pink one. I might just add wings to it and make it my own wand because I could not find the Sailor Moon one anywhere. She also got me this little gold strainer. It's a tea strainer, but I've wanted like a gold matcha strainer for a while. I think that the holes might be a little bit too big for matcha, but I might just use it for matcha anyways. And my mum also got me this cute little Christmas mug. I love the design and I love big mugs, so it is literally so beautiful. It has gingerbread cookies and candy canes on it, and I just love the design. I feel like it really matches me because it's like soft, cute, cozy, warm. Like, it's perfect. It just screams Christmas, and like they look so cute together. Ooh. Yeah, that's so cute. I love. She got us Christmas mugs last year, so I think she's keeping up her tradition of getting us like a Christmas mug every single year. But it's so cute. I'm not complaining. I love that. And she also got me... Where did I put them? She also got me these cute little Santa Workshop cocktail stirrers. They come in a set of 4. I've been telling my parents that I kind of want to get into like making cocktails, and they like when I make cocktails for them. So she got me these cute little cocktail stirrers. They're Christmas themed as well, which is super adorable. Let's see if I can get them out. They come with 4. There's a little Santa Claus, a cute little Christmas tree, a Christmas stocking with little snowflakes on them, and a little yellow star. So adorable. Perfect for when I start making cocktails. But yeah, super cute. And my dad got me this little rainbow light. When you like turn it on, it's not plugged in right now, but I don't even know how to turn it on. It's not charged yet. I don't know how to work it, but this lights up. This little rainbow light lights up, and apparently it changes color depending on like music, which is really cool. I haven't tried it yet, but I will insert a clip of it working because it's so cute. I might like try to stick something on this base because I don't really like this base. I don't think it matches my aesthetic that well, but it's so cute. I can't wait to see what that looks like on because I actually haven't seen it yet. My best friend also got me a cute little tea set cup, a mug and a saucer set from Lottie in purple because purple is my favorite color. It's so cute. It's like a little teacup, and then it comes with this really cute like cloud plate. It's so adorable. I love it. It's so cute. It's so perfect. I feel like it suits me really well as well. I love it. I love homeware items. Oh, I also got this t-shirt from White Elephant. Like, I hosted a little Christmas party and this was the White Elephant gift that I received. It's a cute little cat t-shirt wearing sunglasses. It's so adorable. It's really big. I love oversized t-shirts, so this is great. I also got myself a little gift for Christmas this year as well, and if you know me, you know I'm a massive Rosie fan. So I got her CD, her Rosie CD, and I love her. I actually got it in the set with her Number One Girl t-shirt because I really wanted this t-shirt. I actually bought the CD on its own first, and then I think when Number One Girl came out, she released it with the t-shirt because I pre-ordered it, and then I returned the CD and then I repurchased it with the t-shirt and the CD because I really wanted it. Every single time I would see her wearing the Number One Girl t-shirt, I wanted it so badly because I'm definitely a number one. I'm a massive Rosie stan. I was actually kind of sad though because I really wanted the version that she wears. Like, I think the one in all the promo, it looks like a cute little baby tee, and I wanted a Number One Girl baby tee. So when I bought this, I got it in a medium because she's like a small petite little cute girly, and I thought it would be too small for me, so I was like, oh, I'll get medium because it's like it'll fit me better. But then it turned out to be just like a normal t-shirt, and I was like, damn, if it was a normal t-shirt, I should have just gotten small so it would look more like fitted, kind of closer to the one that she's wearing. But I got it in a medium, so it's baggy. I like baggy t-shirts, but I just feel like this design looks so much cuter in a baby tee. But it's okay, I might just crop it or something because it's still so cute and I still love it. I literally adore it. And one of my friends actually surprised me on Christmas and got me the Rosie vinyl. I was literally so shocked. I actually cried because I was trying so hard to get this vinyl and it was sold out every single time I looked at it, which is why I got the CD instead. But I don't even have a record player, but I just really want to collect vinyls, and she's so beautiful. I wanted the classic cover of her face with Rosie and the gold and the red vinyl. So when I opened this on Christmas, I was low-key so stunned. Yeah, your girl cried a little bit, but literally look how gorgeous this is. This vinyl is so pretty. It still has the plastic on it because, as I said, I don't have a record player, so I can't play this anywhere. So I still kept the plastic on it, which is why I'm holding it like this. But it's so beautiful. Are you serious? I love it. I need to get a record player like right now, but I'm also really picky and I don't know which one I want yet, which is why I haven't gotten one. But I really want to hear this. I can't believe I own this, honestly. It's so beautiful. This is the sleeve it comes in, the paper sleeve that the vinyl comes in. They're so cute. They really are. Like, I was tempted to just get this one because this one was still available when I was looking at it, but I just really wanted the classic Rosie and her face because I just think she looks so gorgeous in this. I love it. It also comes with like her track list, like all the songs in her track list. Super cute. Oh my gosh. This is actually what I wanted the t-shirt to look like. Like, look how cute it looks on her. It's like a cute little baby tee moment. I thought that's what it was going to look like. That's why I bought it in a medium, because it looks so small and cute on her. But it's okay. The t-shirt is still really cute and I'm always down to support my girl. It also came with these little vinyls. It also came with these little Polaroids. They're so cute. These are the two that I got. I really like this one. I feel like this one's more my style, but she still looks absolutely gorgeous in this one. I love her so much. I can't believe I own this. So pretty. those were all the items that I got for Christmas this year. They're so cute. I literally love them all and I'm so thankful for anything. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!